है हमारे अर्बन फार्मिंग सेंटर पे, जहां पे हमने ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है कि एक खाली पड़ी हुई छत के ऊपर हम प्रचुर मात्रा में अबंडेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक वेजिटेबल्स हम कैसे लगा सकते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या उग रहा है। ये है हमारी गोल लौकी की यूनिट, जिसके अंदर गोल लौकी लगी हुई है। ये यहाँ पे गोल लौकी लगी हुई है। ये है हमारी लौकी की यूनिट। यहाँ पे हमने बिना मिट्टी के एक ऑर्गेनिक मीडियम में, जिसको हम कहते हैं ऑर्गेनिक सॉइललेस मीडियम, इसके अंदर बिना मिट्टी के मीडियम में ये सारी सब्जियां लगा रखी हैं। आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये है हमारे करेला की यूनिट। ये देखिए, करेला है ना, लग रहा है हर बेल पे आपको है ना करेला नजर आएगा, छोटे से लेके बड़ा करेला तक। So this is bitter gourd growing on every creeper that you see here. I would like to keep reminding all of you that these vegetables that you see growing here, these are growing without a single molecule of soil. So this is our bitter gourd करेला की हमारी यूनिट है ये। आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये है हमारी ब्रिंजल की यूनिट। ये देखिए, ब्रिंजल, abundant quantity, abundant production of brinjals happening. You will find brinjals hanging everywhere. Everywhere you'll find brinjals. It's raining brinjals. Moving on, this is our unit of sweet corn. Look at the height of the sweet corn.
Sweet corn
And every plant has started bearing sweet corn. This is sweet corn here. Once again, I would like to remind you that all these vegetables that you are seeing here, आप जो भी ये सारी है ना सब्जियां उगते हुए देख रहे हैं, these are growing without a single molecule of soil. This is the achievement of Living Greens in 7 years of its journey. Living Greens was founded in March 2013, and since then it has focused on just one thing: converting rooftops into lush green organic farms. More sweet corn for you to see. Every plant is bearing a sweet corn. And look at the thickness of the stem. The thickness of the stem will tell you how healthy the plant is. See the thickness of the stem. All this is growing without a single molecule of soil. Moving on, this is cowpea. ये है हमारे चवला फली की यूनिट। ये सिंपल लुकिंग फली जो है, बड़ी सिंपल सी ये फली है, but this simple looking bean is a very, very rich source of iron. And you'll see beans hanging everywhere. Everywhere. Please don't treat this as a miracle. This is pure Vedic science, which we have tried to learn and imbibe in our model. So all this is Vedic science. Our ancestors have known about this for a very, very long time. It was a forgotten science, and we are very happy to bring it back into the normal lives of each one of us. So this is cowpea beans. Look at the abundance of production. देखिए कितना प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है बिना मिट्टी के। प्योरली ऑर्गेनिक बायोफर्टिलाइजर्स एंड माइक्रोबियल कल्चर्स को यूज करके एक ऑर्गेनिक सॉइललेस मीडियम बनाया है, जिसके अंदर ये सारी चीजें लग रही हैं। और अब आपको एक नई चीज दिखाता हूं। लेट मी शो यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रूट बैग, एंड इन दिस फ्रूट बैग वी आर ग्रोइंग फ्रूट्स So the first fruit here is guava. Let me show you guavas going here. So this is guava, and this is also guava here. Now, these are shorter varieties of fruit plants which are growing in this fruit bag. This fruit bag, the important thing about the design of this fruit bag is that it is square in cross section and it has got an iron frame around it so that when the fruit tree grows up, जब ये fruit का पौधा बड़ा हो जाएगा तो ये नीचे नहीं गिरेगा क्योंकि इसके चारों तरफ एक iron frame है. So this fruit bag will ensure that your fruit tree continues to grow here without getting toppled by the winds on your rooftop. So more fruit bags. यहाँ पे हमने मोरिंगा है ना लगा रखा है फ्रूट बैग में. आप इसकी हाइट देखिए. ये भी उसी फ्रूट बैग में लगा हुआ है, सेम फ्रूट बैग. And this is a miracle tree. Yes, Rohan ji, this is going to sustain in this fruit bag even when it grows. So this is a moringa tree. It's a wonderful medicinal plant, a very rich source of bioavailable calcium. There's no need to eat those calcium tablets. The leaves of this plant, the moringa plant, are absolutely fabulous source, richest source of bioavailable calcium. This is again a unit of a cowpea beans. So this is a more recent unit. My request is that since I'm streaming the video live, I'm unable to see the chat box. So please hold on to your questions. You will get an opportunity to ask all your questions. But if you put it in the chat box, I will not be able to see it because I'm streaming this live video. So hold back onto your questions and I'll answer each one of them. ये भिंडी लगी हुई है, okra. This is okra growing here. See the health of the plants. See the flowering. I would like to remind you again that all this is growing without a single molecule of soil. So this is our bhindi unit. Let me show you some king size bhindis. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. Fresh, organic, growing on your rooftop, your own safe and fresh vegetables. We keep talking about immunity. Let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, it's more important to eat safe and fresh food and build immunity rather than waiting for that miraculous vaccine. Moving on, this is our unit of the bottle gourd. ये लौकी लगी हुई है यहाँ पे. Now, let me explain a little more about our product. Our product is called a portable farming system. What you see here are our portable farming system. Each portable farming system is 10 feet long and 4 feet wide and 7 inches deep. Each portable farming system is filled with 450 kgs of organic soilless medium. So as far as the weight of the unit is concerned, let me point out that 450 kgs are uniformly distributed across 40 square feet. This means that the weight per square feet is less than 12 kgs per square feet. So which means that this portable farming system is exerting a uniformly distributed load of less than 12 kgs per square feet. your rooftop can take a load of 25 kgs per square feet. So this is less than half the permissible load. And mind you, this is uniformly distributed load. You can also see drip lines here. So every portable farming system has got 5 drip lines. And these drip lines ensure that the water is reaching directly to the root zone of the plant. हर ड्रिप लाइन के अंदर जो ड्रिपर होते हैं वो एम्बेडेड होते हैं. हर ड्रिपर के पीछे एक छोटा सा फिल्टर लगा होता है सो दैट इसके जो होल्स हैं उसकी चोकिंग नहीं हो. ये जो फ्रेम आप देख रहे हैं, द फ्रेम दैट यू सी हियर, दिस इज अ पाउडर कोटेड फ्रेम. This has been powder coated, and this entire frame has got joints. So these joints can be unlocked and the whole frame can be dismantled. So when this frame arrives at your house, it arrives in much smaller pieces, and all you have to do is just put these joints together. And all the joints of this frame are color coded. सारे इस फ्रेम के जो joints होते हैं वो color coded होते हैं. तो आपको लाल जॉइंट लाल पाइप में लगाना होता है, येलो जॉइंट येलो पाइप में लगाना होता है. तो बहुत आसान होता है इस पूरे यूनिट का सेल्फ इंस्टॉलेशन करना. सारी चीजें पहले से ही बनी हुई आती हैं. एवरीथिंग कम्स इन अ प्री फैब्रिकेटेड मैनर. All that you have to do is put them all together, for which we have created a self installation video which is made in 5 parts. You can keep looking at that video and put this all together. पिछले एक महीने के अंदर अंदर हमने almost 50 units, we have our customers have received 50 units across 10 different cities, and they have been able to install those units all by themselves. Nagpur, Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Aurangabad, Rajkot, different places. We don't have to go there and do the installation. The clients have been able to do the installation themselves by looking at a self-installation video. Now this green container, इस ग्रीन कंटेनर की खासियत ये है कि ये जो ग्रीन कंटेनर है ये यूवी प्रोटेक्टेड है. मैं आपको फिर से एक बार याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि छत के ऊपर जब हम खेती करते हैं, when we do rooftop farming, we have to use such a container which is protected from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. It's very important because ultraviolet rays of the sun will reduce the strength of the plastic. So we must always use containers which are UV protected. Also, the green color that you see on this container is merely a lamination. It is just to offer color. The real protection is from 7 layers inside this container. Now, let me point out a very important component of this portable farming system. इस portable farming system का एक बहुत ही important component है इसका subsurface drainage system. जब भी इस कंटेनर के अंदर, इस पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम के अंदर ज्यादा बारिश होती है या ओवर इरिगेशन की स्थिति होती है, so all that extra water percolates down, and under this soilless medium we have put a network of perforated pipes. That network of perforated pipes is covered with a cotton cloth which is called a geotextile, and those perforated pipes receive all the extra water that percolates down. जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा पानी होता है वो इस सॉइललेस ऑर्गेनिक मीडियम से नीचे जाता है. नीचे परफोरेटेड पाइप्स का एक नेटवर्क होता है, and all those perforated pipes are connected by a single pipe which is called a main drainage line, and the main drainage line comes out of the container at one point. So this is the point where the main drainage line is coming out, and the main drainage line comes out from that point which is closest to the drain point on your rooftop. Okay, so all the extra water that could have come inside this unit is collected by a network of perforated pipes. All those pipes are connected by this subsurface drainage line, and all of that extra water comes out. It flows into this drip pipe, and finally goes into the drain point on your rooftop. So this is a subsurface drainage system. ये subsurface drainage system इसलिए important है because किसी भी समय ओवर इरिगेशन या रेनफॉल की जब स्थिति होती है तो हमारे को हमारे कंटेनर के अंदर एक्स्ट्रा पानी भरने नहीं देना चाहिए. I would like to share a very important and a useful tip for all of you who are interested in growing vegetables. Your vegetable plants do not only require water, they require water and air in the same quantity. That means even over irrigation or over watering of your plants can kill your plants, can seriously damage the health of your plants. So please remember that when you are growing vegetables in a soilless medium, make sure that you are not over irrigating your vegetables. अपने vegetables में जरूरत से ज्यादा पानी मत डालिए, चाहे कितनी भी तेज गर्मी हो. आप दिन में 2 बार डाल दीजिए, लेकिन एक बार में ही ज्यादा पानी डालने की कोशिश मत करिए, बिकॉज प्लांट्स की जो रूट्स हैं वो डैमेज हो जाएंगी. आपको मैं हमारे पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम का छोटा मॉडल दिखाना चाहूंगा. So this is called a portable farming system, 5 feet by 2 feet. This is also called a leafy growing system. इसमें leafy vegetables बहुत आराम से ना लगा सकते हैं. ये यहाँ पे हमने ऑर्गेनिक मिंट लगा रखा है, पुदीना लगा रखा है, और इसको रेगुलरली है ना इसकी कटिंग भी करते रहते हैं. आप इसमें देखिए वापस है ना स्प्राउटिंग हो रही है. So this is organic mint and this has started sprouting again. ये वाला मिंट जो है ये बड़ा हो चुका है, इसको अभी हम है ना हार्वेस्ट करेंगे. एंड इससे जो बड़ा मॉडल है दैट इज कॉल्ड पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम, 10 फीट बाय 2 फीट, 10 फुट लंबा, 2 फुट चौड़ा एंड 7 इंच गहरा. लेकिन हमारा जो फ्लैगशिप जो प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज दिस पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम, 10 feet by 4 feet, in which you can grow abundant quantity of vegetables. I would like to remind each one of you that just in case this webinar session gets over and your questions are still unanswered, please click on the same webinar link and you will get reconnected to us. अगर ये वेबिनार खत्म हो जाती है, क्योंकि ये 50 मिनट में वेबिनार खत्म हो जाएगी, तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो वेबिनार लिंक को क्लिक करके आप यहाँ पे आए हैं उसी को ही वापस क्लिक कर दीजिएगा और हम वापस से कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. So this is our portable farming system and मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूंगा कि छत के ऊपर खेती करने के लिए, for growing your organic vegetables on the rooftop, you have to invest at least 20 to 30 minutes of your time every day. You must invest. That's non-negotiable. And आपको क्या करना है? आपको 5 काम करने हैं. अपने छत पे 20 से 30 मिनट के अंदर आपको 5 काम करने हैं. सबसे पहला आपको पानी देना है, जो कि आपको ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम ऑन करना है. दूसरा, so first you have to apply irrigation. Second, you have to remove all the dry, dead, old leaves from each of your plants in order to make sure that your units are absolutely clean. See all these units, they are absolutely clean. आपको एक भी पीला पत्ता, एक भी खराब पत्ता आपको यहाँ पे नजर नहीं आएगा. These units are absolutely clean. So it's very important to keep your units clean. This is called phytosanitation. Third thing, आपको अपने हाथ से lightly गुड़ाई करनी है, like this. रूट्स के पास में आपको ऐसे करके ना डेली गुड़ाई करनी है. Then the fourth thing is that you have to do daily organic sprays. So let me show you. Along with the portable farming system, you get an organic input kit. So let me show you the organic input kit. So you get a box like this. Now this box contains 7 sprays. So you have a Monday spray, you have a Monday spray, you have a Tuesday spray, you have a Wednesday spray, all the way up to Sunday. अब ये जो स्प्रेस हैं ये आपको डेली करने हैं एज पर द डे ऑफ द वीक. सो मंडे का स्प्रे आपको मंडे को करना है, ट्यूसडे का स्प्रे ट्यूसडे को करना है. You have to do daily sprays as per the day of the week. And this is the kind of a sprayer that you should be using, which has got a pressure pump. And besides these sprays, we also have root biofertilizers. There are 3 root biofertilizers. And these root fertilizers have to be put into the bucket where the drip irrigation motor is there. जिस बाल्टी के अंदर ड्रिप इरिगेशन की मोटर है उसके अंदर ये रूट फर्टिलाइजर्स आपको डालने होते हैं. और इस बॉक्स के अंदर ही यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे ये पूरा एक टेबल बना हुआ होता है और उस टेबल में है ना ये बताया जाता है कि आपको ऑर्गेनिक स्प्रेस कब करने हैं और ऑर्गेनिक रूट फर्टिलाइजर्स आपको कब यूज करने हैं. These organic root fertilizers and organic sprays will ensure the pest and disease management of your vegetable plants. You just have to fill, इसका जो एक ढक्कन आप देख रहे हैं, जस्ट एक ढक्कन जो है वो आपको स्प्रेयर के अंदर डालना है and you have to spray it every day. So मंडे के दिन मंडे का स्प्रे, on Tuesday spray, Wednesday spray. Just in case you forget to do any one spray, suppose you have forgotten to do Monday spray, suppose आपने मंडे का स्प्रे यूज करना भूल गए, तो ट्यूसडे को, on Tuesday you should first spray the Monday spray, wash the sprayer and then spray the Tuesday spray. Do not mix these organic sprays amongst each other because each one of them is a live spray. Please remember, these are organic sprays. They consist of live microorganisms, and mixing of 2 sprays will make both the sprays ineffective. 2 sprays को mix करने से आप दोनों sprays को ही बेकार कर रहे हैं. तो ये हमारे को ध्यान रखना है कि अगर हम कोई स्प्रे करना भूल गए हैं तो अगले दिन पहले वो भूला हुआ स्प्रे करिए और फिर उस दिन का स्प्रे करिए. बीच में एक स्प्रे करने के बाद अपने स्प्रेयर को धो लीजिए और उसके बाद वापस से दूसरा है ना स्प्रे करिए. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल किट which is called an organic input kit, which is used for the organic management of pests and diseases in your vegetable plants. So basically, जब आप एक पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम लेते हैं तो पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम के साथ आपको एक ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट किट भी मिलती है. ये एक ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट किट, one organic input kit will be used for 2 portable farming system for 4 months. One organic input kit will last for 4 months for 2 portable farming system. So if you are putting 4 portable farming system, you will get 2 organic input kits. And by the way, in the package that we are offering to all our customers, you will get your organic input kits in the first season along with that package. So the cost of the organic input kit is included in the cost of the package. You don't have to buy your organic input kit separately for the first 4 months. After the organic input kit gets over, after 4 months, then you have to buy a new kit. The cost of one kit is 1100 rupees. So your 1100 rupees is the expenditure every 4 months. And just by using the simple organic input kit, you will be able to effectively control pest and disease problems in your vegetable plants. इन स्प्रेस और रूट फर्टिलाइजर्स को रेगुलर यूज करके आप अपने सब्जी के पौधों में कीड़े और बीमारियों की जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको बहुत इफेक्टिवली आप उसको कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे. बस ये ध्यान रखिए कि जैसे हम च्यवनप्राश खाते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही हमारे को हमारे ऑर्गेनिक स्प्रेस और रूट फर्टिलाइजर्स को रेगुलरली यूज करना है. ऑर्गेनिक स्प्रेस को डेली यूज करना है रूट फर्टिलाइजर्स को ऑल्टरनेटिव वीक में यूज करना है। वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जिस दिन से आप हमारे कस्टमर बनते हैं उस दिन से एक हाईली एक्सपीरियंस्ड एग्री एक्सपर्ट आपके प्रोजेक्ट के लिए डेडिकेटेड हो जाते हैं। सो अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इज क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम डे वन वेयर you are going to be there, our agri expert is going to be there, our vegetable scientist is going to be there, and I am going to be there. So from day one, our agri expert, our team is going to guide you online on every single aspect of growing vegetables. आपके साथ हमारी टीम डेली बेसिस पे कनेक्टेड होगी, रियल टाइम पे यू विल बी रिसीविंग ऑनलाइन सपोर्ट from a highly experienced agri expert who will be teaching you and guiding you how to grow your vegetables in the most abundant quantity. So हमारी तरफ से आपको 3 चीजें मिलती हैं। पहला है पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम, दूसरा है ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट किट, और तीसरा है एक हाईली एक्सपीरियंस्ड एग्री एक्सपर्ट जो कि आपको डेली बेसिस के ऊपर गाइड करते हैं। So with this, I rest my presentation and I would like to invite the questions. But before that, मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ, I would like to remind each one of you that if this session ends, please use the same webinar link to get reconnected and a new session will begin immediately. So with that, I would like to invite questions. Please go ahead. Do not put your questions in the chat box because I'm not able to see the chat box. I'm doing live streaming right now. So please ask me verbal questions.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Hello Prateek ji, good morning.
नमस्कार मैम।
नमस्कार। ये जो फ्रूट प्लांटर है इसकी क्या कॉस्ट है सर?
मैम हमारे सारे कॉस्ट जो है वो स्टैंडर्ड रेट कार्ड्स है ना, हमने बना रखे हैं। आप हमारे जिस टीम मेंबर के थ्रू यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हुए हैं वो आपको हमारे सारे रेट कार्ड्स है ना भेज देंगे। वैसे द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस फ्रूट बैग इज 3,500 रुपीज एक्सक्लूडिंग द कॉस्ट ऑफ द फ्रूट प्लांट। But in order to get more information about the contents of this fruit bag, please receive a standard rate card from a team member. उस स्टैंडर्ड रेट कार्ड के अंदर सारी डिटेल्स हैं कि इसके अंदर कितना सॉइललेस मीडियम है, इसके अंदर ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, इसके अंदर सब सरफेस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, इसका क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या है, इसका टोटल वेट क्या है, वो सारी डिटेल्स आपको रेट कार्ड में मिल जाएंगी। सो इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू would like to know the rates of any of our product, please connect with a team member and they will send across a standard rate card to each one of you.
Hi, this is Amit here. I just want to know how much is enough for two family, how much bad is enough for three members of family?
अमित जी, हमारा एक कहना सिंपल थंब रूल है।
हाँ जी।
मेरी आवाज आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, एकदम करेक्ट सुन रहे।
हाँ जी, तो हमारा 7 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस के ऊपर हमारे एक थंब रूल हमने बनाया है, छोटा सा रूल है। वो ये है कि जब आप फाइनली उस स्टेज पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं कि आप अपने फैमिली की सारी सब्जियां अपनी छत से लेना चाहते हैं, you finally want to reach a stage when you don't want to go to the market and get 100% of your organic vegetables from your rooftop. That
Correct.
is a stage at which the number of units is equal to number of adults in your family plus 4.
Okay.
But that is the final. So if you have 2 adult members, ideally you should have 6 units. But once again, I would like to clarify that that is the final stage of your organic farming. My recommendation is, मेरा आपको निवेदन ये है कि आप शुरुआत में 2 या 4 यूनिट से चालू करिए। पहले अपनी सब्जी उगाना सीखिए, हमारी गाइडेंस लेके। पहले आप कॉन्फिडेंस आपको आ जाए और जैसे जैसे आपको इन पोर्टेबल फार्मिंग सिस्टम और ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट किट को यूज करने का कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा, वैसे वैसे आप अपनी यूनिट्स को बढ़ाते जाइए। फाइनल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स शुड बी number of adults plus 4. That should be the final number of units. but do
Okay.
not go on to that number immediately. Start
Mhm.
with 2 or 4 units, learn to grow your vegetables, develop confidence in using this product, and
Okay.
then keep on increasing your units till you reach that number, which is number of adults plus 4 units.
So one more question. Can
Sure.
we automate this drip irrigation? Like sometime we
Yes.
go for 10, 15 days, and how we'll manage in our absence?
Yes. So, Amitji, I will turn the camera around and I will show you how we can automate a drip irrigation system.
Okay.
So, this is a small digital timer.
Okay.
This timer is installed along with your drip irrigation system, and this can be easily programmed by the customer. What this
Okay.
timer does is that it switches on and off at a very specific time of every day. It switches on and switches
Uh-huh.
off by itself as per the program fed in this digital timer. And
Okay.
this digital timer basically triggers the drip irrigation motor. So जब ये
Okay.
टाइमर ऑन होगा तो आपकी ड्रिप इरिगेशन मोटर ऑन हो जाएगी. इसके अंदर
Okay.
जो आप ये जो 2 पिन प्लग देख रहे हैं,
हाँ जी.
ये बेसिकली आपकी ड्रिप इरिगेशन मोटर का है ना प्लग है, जो कि इस टाइमर
Plug
में
है.
है ना लगा हुआ होता है.
Okay.
तो जब ये टाइमर ऑन होगा तो ही आपकी ड्रिप इरिगेशन मोटर ऑन होगी और फिर ये प्रिसाइज टाइम पे ऑफ हो जाएगा. So this timer allows automatic irrigation of your plants even in your absence.
Okay. But spray we have to do manually. There's no other way for spray, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's not get very lazy. We are talking about farming. I
Yes.
think
Yes.
I think the real fun of farming is
Yes.
spending your time with the plants, seeing them grow, and seeing them bear lots of vegetables. So
Yes.
हमने जानबूझ के स्प्रेइंग को ऑटोमेटिक इसलिए नहीं किया है क्योंकि हम आपसे वो जो मजा है अपनी
हाँ
सब्जी
जी.
उगाने का,
सही
आपको
है.
उससे वंचित नहीं करना चाहते.
सही है, वो तो है ही. नहीं तो कुछ
जी.
स्प्रिंकलर लगा के भी कर सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से. जैसे ज्यादा.
अमित जी, स्प्रिंकलर
हेलो.
इसलिए ना सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगा. I will
Okay.
not suggest using a sprinkler because जितनी भी क्रीपर वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं, क्रीपर वेजिटेबल्स मतलब लौकी है, करेला है,
हाँ
अगर
जी.
इनकी पत्तियों के ऊपर if water falls on the leaves of these creeper vegetables, then
हाँ जी.
these vegetables will start suffering from fungal infections. So
Okay.
sprinkler is a very bad idea when it comes to growing these kind of creeper vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I hope I have answered your question, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Yeah, Chetan ji.
हेलो.
Thank you, Amit ji. Yeah, Chetan ji, go ahead.
Sir, how it is called portable? Is there any roller installed below the bags?
No, this is called portable because this entire frame, as you can see here on your screen, this entire frame is created in joints, and this entire frame can be unbolted, packed, and moved to any location at any time.
Okay.
So each of these joints can be unbolted, and this whole system can be packed into a small pack, and this organic soilless medium can be filled into bags, and this whole thing can be carried to any other location. This is called portable because we are not doing any permanent architectural change on your rooftop. हम आपकी छत के ऊपर कोई भी permanent architectural change नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इसको portable farming system कहा जाता है.
हेलो तिवारी सर.
And sir, it is called organic because I heard about many soilless medium that it is not done organic.
See, technically speaking, no organic certification agency is offering an organic certification for soilless medium because unfortunately organic farming is considered only when it is being done in soil.
Okay.
But having said that, this also includes the hydroponic industry, which is growing thousands of tons of vegetables every day. they are growing in liquid nutrient medium. They are also doing it organically, but they are also not receiving any certification. So this is at an international level, this debate is going on, where the international certification agencies are now saying that they have to acknowledge soilless farming, whether it is happening in a soilless medium or it is happening in a liquid nutrient medium like it's happening in the hydroponics.
Okay. And what about production? In soil-less medium, production gets higher than doing in soil?
Uh, See, the simple answer to that is that uh, in a soilless medium, the density of plants is much higher.
Okay.
जैसे ये आपको I am showing these sweet corn plants. Now, the
Yes.
number of sweet corn plants that you see in this unit, this, if you do farming on land, then these sweet corn plants, which are right now growing in 40 square feet, they will actually be growing in 200 square feet. So since the density of the plants is high, the production per square feet is much higher as compared to soil farming.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you.
Sir,
Hello.
hello.
Pratik.
Yeah, I have a question.
Pratik.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Raghuji.
प्रतीक जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, जैसे कि नाउ इट्स रेनी सीजन, सो व्हाट इफ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रेन्स ऑन द रूफ एंड जो भी अपना सॉइललेस मीडियम है, इट गोज, आई मीन it goes completely watery, and what if insects come in during this time? How is it been maintained?
Okay, so as far as rains are concerned, I had mentioned to you that we have a subsurface drainage system. See, first and
जी.
foremost, let's understand कि हमारा जो ये soilless organic medium है, this is highly porous. This
Okay.
organic soilless medium is very, very porous. So what that means is that it will hold only optimum quantity of water, and any extra water will percolate downwards, and it will meet that network of perforated pipes which are lying below this organic soilless medium. So just like you see these drip pipes, exactly in the same way, under this organic soilless medium, we have put perforated pipes. Now, वो जो perforated pipes होते हैं, वो geotextile उनके ऊपर लिपटा हुआ होता है. Geotextile is wound around those perforated pipes to make sure that not even a single particle of the soilless medium goes into those perforated pipes and is then lost in the drainage system. So the soilless medium does not go into the perforated pipes because those perforated pipes are covered by a geotextile fabric. Now all that extra water gets collected in those perforated pipes, and then there is a main drainage pipe that is coming out of the container, as you can see here. And from this main drainage pipe, the water is going to go all the way to the drainage point of your rooftop. So this is as far as taking care of extra water is concerned. As far as जहाँ तक पेस्ट एंड डिजीज की बात है, मैंने आपको हमारा ऑर्गेनिक इनपुट किट बताया था. अगर आप वो रेगुलरली यूज कर रहे हैं, देयर विल बी एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. कल ही हमारे ना यूनिट्स है ना कोलकाता गए हैं. वी ऑलरेडी हैव कस्टमर्स इन कोलकाता. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ रेन इन कोलकाता.
जी.
कलकत्ता से.
Okay, so there is absolutely no problem due to extra rainfall.
So last 3 minutes.
Okay, Pratik.
Okay.
Can we? Hello. This is Kalpana.
Hello.
Can we grow various herbs in one bed, like parsley and whatever, oregano, various kinds?
Yes. Kalpana ma'am, I'll just answer your question. A request to all the participants. This session is going to end in three minutes. The moment this session ends, please click on the same webinar link and we will get reconnected. So Kalpana ma'am, just in case I'm not able to answer your question completely, please reconnect through that webinar link. So as far as growing herbs are concerned, during the winter season, we can grow a huge variety of herbs, culinary herbs like parsley, celery, marjoram, oregano, cilantro, dill, and even Indian herbs like methi, palak, all those herbs can be grown very well in this organic soilless medium. And they grow extremely well. They grow very fast, and you can harvest those herbs 5 times. That means you can have 5 cuttings of the same herb. So the answer is yes, you can definitely grow lots of culinary herbs. Not only that, we are now introducing medicinal herbs like giloy, like gulmar, like stevia, like tulsi, like ashwagandha. So we are introducing medicinal plants. Initially, we are introducing in our where we are headquartered in Jaipur, but very soon we'll be able to send those plants across to other customers also. So not
So-
only culinary herbs, you can also grow medicinal herbs.
So all these are plants or seeds you can sow. What do you sow?
So as far as culinary herbs are concerned, ma'am, like celery, parsley,
Yeah.
lettuce. So you can directly do seed sowing of those herbs. And as far as medicinal herbs are concerned,
So you
it would be
provide the
preferable
seeds?
to use.
You provide seeds
Yes.
also? Or
Yes, we provide seeds of all the vegetables for one whole year to all our customers.
And what is the cost of one 10x4 bed?
Ma'am, we do not sell a single 10x4 bed. We sell it in pairs because one organic input kit
Okay,
is
what does the
used in
pair
2
cost?
Yeah, so you will have to connect with a team member, or Preeti ma'am would have given her number on the chat box. We will send across the rate card to you because we have different packs. So
Achha.
I don't want to only talk about the cost. I first want
And I
to
was
tell you what are
wanting
the
to know
components.
about the green walls also that you are doing actually.
Ma'am, yes, unfortunately, I have a leg surgery because of which I'm not able to move too much. So I'll send you my green wall brochure separately.
There's some Sushma who contacted me from Ghaziabad.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Sushma ma'am will connect back with you, and she will send you the green wall brochure. And I believe you